Hello everyone, my name is Reese Hintay, a fourth-year Bachelor of Science in Computer Science student from Adamson University. Today I would like to share my experience as an intern at StraStan and how this opportunity helped me grow both technically and professionally. Before joining StraStan, most of my experience came from academic projects involving programming, databases, algorithms, and web developments. While I understood the fundamentals, I had limited exposure to real-world software development and would rate my technical confidence at around 5 out of 10. During my internship, I worked on real tasks for Showcast, a virtual events management platform. This gave me valuable experience working with production-level systems, modern development workflows, and cloud technologies. One of the biggest challenges I faced was working with authentication system, our services, and debugging issues across different parts of the application. There were times when there would be a problem where it required tracing requests from the front end all the way to backend services, such as Lambda functions and Event Bridge. Although some issues were difficult and time-consuming, they became some of the most valuable learning experiences of my internship. What helped me overcome these challenges was the guidance of Sorenzo and the StraStan team. Instead of simply providing answers, they encouraged me to investigate problems, think critically, and develop my own solutions. This greatly improved my problem-solving skills and confidence as a developer. Through this internship, I gained hands-on experience with our services such as Cognito, Lambda, APA Gateway, DynamoDB, and Event Bridge. I also strengthened my full-stack development skills using Next.js, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS. The most interesting part for me was learning how Lambda and EventBridge work together to create event-driven workflows. Seeing a single user action trigger multiple automated backend processes gave me a deeper appreciation for cloud architecture and system design. Beyond technical skills, we learned how to work in a professional development environment, collaborating with teammates, communicating blockers, following code standards, and contributing to a shared code base. Working with my team leader Ralph and the rest of the team taught me the importance of teamwork, documentation, and effective communication. I would also like to thank my mentor Sorenzo, whose guidance had a significant impact on my growth. One lesson that stood out to me was the importance of being deliberate and thoughtful in everything you do, whether it's solving problems, writing code, or delivering features. Overall, this Trust and Fast Track Virtual Internship program helped bridge the gap between academic learning and industry experience. It strengthened my confidence, improved my technical skills, and reinforced my goal of pursuing a career in software and cloud development. Before I end, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Sorenzo, especially our team leader Ralph, my fellow interns, and the entire Strastan team for their support, patience, and mentorship throughout this journey. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to learn, grow, and gain valuable real-world experience. I am leaving this internship more confident, more capable, and more prepared for the next stage of my career. So once again, thank you Strastan, and I hope to see all of you again in the industry someday.